Exposing the mystery in that annoying hic sound. Why are there not more people talking about the science behind hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, yep, that muscle under your lungs, gets a little twitchy. This muscle spasms and boom, your vocal cords snap shut, giving you that classic hic sound. But why does it happen? Well, it could be anything from eating too fast, gulping down fizzy drinks, or even a sudden excitement. It's your body's way of saying, hey, slow down. And while they're usually harmless, they can be super annoying. So next time you hiccup, just laugh it off. Your diaphragm's just having a mini dance party. Now you know the science behind those pesky hiccups. Stay curious and keep exploring.